Hello and welcome to another rendition of Math is Easy, step by step. So what I've been trying to do is develop problems similar to the problems you're going to see on the exams with the multiple choice A, B, C, and D. And just to let you know and give you an advanced knowledge, I'm going to continue to do this. I'm going to introduce the problem. And what I'm going to do is in the next few continuing parts of the videos, I'd like to go over a review of the skills you need to know in order to answer these type of questions. Now, if you feel like, hey, I know these skills, I don't need to review these skills, the great thing is with these videos is you can fast forward or you can move and skip parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and go to the last part. The last video will always be me showing you how to answer these type of problems, and you can test yourself and see. But I develop these videos as if you have little to no math knowledge or background, so I teach a lot of review, a lot of skills after I introduce the problem. Another thing I'm going to be doing is going live. I'm trying to figure out how to use my document camera with the live feeds through Facebook. And so it's taken me a little bit of time to try to figure that out. But I'd love for you guys, hey, send me some of the problems that you might be working on that are giving you trouble. Take a picture. You can send me an email to the page, and I'm going to do my very, very, very best. If I can't do it live, I will create videos showing you how to answer some of those problems that might be giving you trouble. So this is a type of problem you're going to see on the exams. If A equals -2, what is a cubed plus 2a plus 3 divided by, remember every fraction's a division problem, a squared plus 5? And so you're asked here to simplify. You're given options A, +1, B, 15/9, C, -1, and D, -7/9. So it's going to be one of these options. Again, I'm going to go over this problem, showing you step by step how to answer in the last video of this part of the series and all parts of all series of all questions. So if you feel like you'd like to skip those videos, help yourself. If you need some review, please continue to watch these videos. And so now I'd like to introduce and review going over order of operations. In order to solve this problem, you're going to want to be able to do a couple of things. Understand substitution property, where you can substitute that -2 for these a values. We have exponential values, 1, 2, and to the third power. So you're going to want to review exponents. And as I mentioned earlier, order of operations. So I'd like to get into some of those reviews. Hey, math is easy. Take it step by step.